Do you know that the Bernina has a creative consultant, which is a fancy word of having your own little sewing teacher built right into the machine? Let me show you where to find it and how to use it. Start by touching the home button. At this point, you are looking for the picture of the dress form. And in here, you will find that it will take you to where a group of fabrics are. Now, some of these fabrics may or may not look like anything to you, and that's where the handy question mark is going to be your best friend. So if you're looking at one of these and you're like, well, what kind of fabric is this? That one is the heavyweight woven. And I'll give you a variety of fabrics that fit that category, from upholstery fabrics to canvases to wool. So if I was to be working on a heavy fabric, I will then be asked, well, what am I doing on that heavy fabric? If I'm sewing a seam, I can choose the straight stitch. It's going to recommend a needle, thread, what stitch, and which foot will be ideal for this. But wait, there's more. When you touch the green check mark, it will take you to the stitch. Now I know we were already on a straight stitch, but look what it did. Do you see that the stitch length has been turned to a yellow stitch number 3.0 stitch length? So on a heavier fabric, a longer stitch length is recommended. It also reduced the pressure of the foot down almost half, so that foot can easily travel across it. And it did recommend that I switch over to my 1D foot with the dual feed, so pulling down the dual feed behind the foot. Now, if I'm going to be doing something else, that was pretty cool, right? So let's go back to the dress form. And it's still kind of on that technique. I could pick other techniques, but what about if we go back one level? Anytime you see two boxes up here, that means you can go back a screen by touching the box right in front of it. Let's pick a lighter weight fabric. And this time, let's pick that seam and see what it picks. I noticed it showed me a smaller needle, but look, tension has adjusted a little bit for me. I'm back to the 2.5 stitch length and a regular 1C foot and a normal pressure. So there's all sorts of things in here as we go to tell the machine. So there's different fabrics from like this one has a picture of a robe, so like fake fur or imitation fur. That would be one thing you can choose. This one's like working on a towel. So those are kind of some fabrics that are not easy. How about like a stretchy fabric? So these would be some of our stretchy fabrics. And if I was doing, for example, an overlock stitch, it will take me to the right overlock stitch with the right settings, the right foot, the right tension, all that set up specifically for that fabric, and then picking the stitch for me. Here's another one that I love. So if we go back in here and let's just pick a normal fabric. How about a lightweight fabric? But this time I'm doing a zipper. When I pick a zipper, not only will it pick a zipper foot, which is your foot number 4 in your collection, but it also moves my needle position over for me to then work with, because you can't sew in the center of a zipper foot. You need to be to the left or to the right. So it automatically moves you over to the correct position. If we try one of those other ones, how about down here where this is like a leather or vinyl if you're stitching on that one. And what should we stitch on the vinyl? Let's go ahead. Notice there's less options for vinyl. There are some things that it doesn't recommend that you actually stitch. But what about a buttonhole for vinyl, for example? Again, this will take us to picking a correct buttonhole. Notice you have lots of buttonhole choices in your machine. So which one for which fabric? Use the Creative Consultant to truly find which one is right for you. We're told which foot we should have on, pressure has been reduced, tension is all set up, and it has recommended the straight stitch buttonhole for vinyl, which totally makes sense. So definitely an area of the machine I highly recommend that you just try out. Leave it on like a woven medium and a straight stitch if you're unsure which one you should be like going back to, and that should help get you where you need to be. If there's any settings left, just go ahead and push clear, and you should be ready to go with just picking out your own settings for your next fabric choice.